Good morning, first graders. Welcome to another whole group reading lesson. We are starting week 3 of Unit 6, and we're on day 1 today, so let's get started. Here are some words that we used in our stories and our lessons last week. So we're going to start from the top row, go from left to right, reading top to bottom, and we're going to read these together, starting with the word brother. Ready? Brother, father, friend. Next line. Love, mother, picture. Next line, paw, fault, small. And the last word is walked. Very good reading. We are going to start talking about silent letters today. So we have some letter combinations that only one of the letters makes a sound, but there are 2 letters there. So today we're going to talk about the sound So we've seen this card. This is our rose card. What's the name of the card? Rose. Very good. The sound that it stands for is awesome. And the way that we're going to spell this is W-R blank. This blank, for the most part, is going to be a vowel. W-R vowel. Okay, so we'll say that spelling is W-R vowel. So how do we spell it? W-R vowel. Off to the right side of your screen, I have some examples of how this spelling is used in different words. So from the top, let's read these together. That first word is write, and this is what I do with a pencil. Next one down is wrote. That's what I did with a pencil yesterday. The next one is wreck. Next one down is wrap. This is like what I do with a present. I wrap it, not the kind of music. And the one below is wrist. Very good. So let's read these words that use our silent spelling of WR vowel. And again, we're starting on the top line, going from left to right, top to bottom. Let's read these together. Ready? Right, wrote, wrong. Next one down. Wrap, wrist, wren, ring. This is not like what I wear on my fingers. This is like if something's super wet and I have to squeeze all the water out of it. That's the type of ring that is. Here are our sight words for the week. Remember, you can do any movements you want. You can write it with your finger in the air. You can write it with your nose. You can write it with your head. You can do our cute little baby sharks for spelling. Volcano, snowman, sky's the limit. Let's read this first. What is this word? Bean. Very good. Let's spell it. B-E-E-N, bean. And let's read the sentence. It has been a while since I went swimming. What is this word? Children. Very good. Let's spell it. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. And let's read that sentence. My classroom has 27 children in it. What is this word? Month. Very good. Let's spell it. M-O-N-T-H, month. And let's read the sentence. We will be out of school in about a month. What is this word? Question. Very good. Let's spell it. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. And let's read that sentence. Do you have a question about the assignment? What is this word? There. Very good. This is one of our pronouns that shows ownership. Let's spell it. Ready? T-H-E-I-R, there. And let's say that sentence. That is their dog in the yard. What is this word? Year. Very good. Let's spell it. Y-E-A-R, year. And let's read that sentence. My birthday happens once a year. Here are some words from the story that we're going to read today. We do have multiple stories this week, but you guys can do it. So sit up nice and tall, get ready to read. Let's read top to bottom, left to right. Starting with that first word at the top. Ready? Wreck, wrench, right. Now this version of right is a name. Good job, you guys. You saw that capital. let's move on to the next line. Wrong, wrote, wrecked. And the last one, Rex, wrist. And let's read these phrases. We're going to start on the left side, starting with Miss Wright pointed and going down. And then we'll come over to the right side and we'll start with I am wrong and read those. Ready? Miss Wright pointed. Next one. Miss Wright showed. Next one. And wreck Holmes. Next one down. Wrote her a note. Now the other side. Ready? I am wrong. Can wrench cars. Miss Wright asked. Miss Wright replied. That is a lot. Give yourself a high five. Here are some of our sentences from our story this week. Let's go ahead and look at this top sentence. And let's read it together. Ready? This storm can wrench cars from the ground and wreck homes. Good reading. Let's look at the bottom sentence. And let's read that one together. Ready? Miss Wright pointed to a large map on the wall. Good reading. Here is our story for today, and we are going to start with the title, and we're going to go through the whole thing. So sit up nice and tall, take a nice deep breath in, and breathe out. And let's do this. Ready? Miss Wright's job. Miss Wright came to class to show students a map. The children had seen her on the news. She was there to talk about her job. Miss Wright pointed to a large map on the wall. It showed clouds, sun, wind, snow, and rain. Then Miss Wright said, I've been on TV for 6 years. I predict when storms are headed our way. I read maps and reports, but sometimes I am wrong. Miss Wright showed a picture of a big spinning cloud. This storm can wrench cars from the ground and wreck homes. I tell people when to find a safe place from the storm, she said. Miss Wright asked, Do you have questions for me? The children put up their hands. Josh asked, Which month has the most big storms? In our state, most storms happen in the winter, Miss Wright replied. After Miss Wright left, the class wrote her a note. It said, Thank you for teaching us about storms. Give yourself a high five. That was awesome reading, you guys. We are going to keep talking about pronouns. We're going to talk about some special pronouns today. So some pronouns don't refer to a specific person, place, thing, number, animal. The ones that we talked about last week did. I, my, your. Those are special pronouns. He, she. Those mean a specific person. Some of these don't. The word anyone means any person, and the word everyone means all people. Those are still pronouns. So, does anyone know what time it is? The pronoun there is anyone. And everyone thought the joke was funny. My pronoun is everyone. That also works for the words anything and everything and nothing. Those are pronouns that mean anything is no special thing, everything means all things, and nothing means no things. So in these sentences, you can have anything you want for lunch. The word anything is our pronoun, as also are you in both versions that it's worded. But the word anything is one of our special pronouns that means no special thing. You can have anything for lunch. Then the next one down says, there is nothing in the mailbox. Nothing is also a pronoun, meaning no thing. All right. That is it for our reading lesson today, my friends. You are amazing readers, and I can't wait to do another whole group reading lesson with you tomorrow. Keep reading, friends.